Ever wondered how great it would be if you could vary the depths of your bait while fishing? We'll show you how. Watch on. This rig gives you the versatility to target fish at different depths, allowing you to catch species that feed at varying water levels and temperatures, increasing your chances of a successful catch. Whether you're fishing in shallow or deep water, being able to adjust the depth quickly helps you adapt to environmental changes like tide shifts, currents, or water temperature. When tied correctly, the twin hooks provide multiple points for fish to bite, improving your chances of a solid hookup, especially with tricky fish that nibble or strike cautiously. Start by taking a section of leader and tying a dropper loop knot. First, make a loop with the line, then begin wrapping the end overhand. Wrap the end about 4-6 times. Next, bring the top section of the loop down and insert it through the center of the middle wraps. Before tightening the knot, thread the main leader line through the small loop you just passed through the center of the middle wraps. Moisten the knot, then pull the loop tight. You've just completed the main sliding twin hook T-rig, and it can easily be adjusted to match the depths you desire. Next, attach your two hooks to the leader lines using the knot of your choice. For this demonstration, we'll use standard improved clinch knots. There you have it. A wonderfully simple, yet elegant rig that gives you versatility and improves your hookup rate. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments below what you think. Also, tell us what you'd like to see more of on our channel. Thank you, and tight lines.